So this is the Ubiquiti Security Gateway Firewall Enterprise Gateway Router with gigabit internet. This is just the unboxing. It's just a standard packaging, and let's open it up. Let's see. So I managed to open it, and let's see what we get. So we get the gateway. There you go. It's white and it's got the Ubiquiti U sign. Quite simple. See, and that's the back. 2 mounting screws, and quite simple. Let's see what else we get. Packaging, manual, power adapter. It looks like it's 12 volts. Would have been if it was a PoE adapter or something like that. It would have been perfect. And a power cord, and nothing else in the box. There are 2 mounting screws, and that's it. So packaging, a little bit of this, the gateway router, manual, and the power cord, and the transformer, the power adapter. That is the Ubiquiti. Thank you for watching.